All right, well, it's video time again. I've got a little bit of a mock-up here. Very rarely do I get both of the tanks that we offer from ATTA in at the shop at the same time. So I just wanted to give a real good look at how these tanks match the profile of our body. So what I've got here is our 60 CA front compartment sitting here mocked up as if it would be sitting on the bed floor. And it gives you an idea of what that kind of looks like from the side there, how it matches the body line and how it would take up the entire crossover area here. That's now this 114 gallon wedge tank. Takes up the entire crossover compartment area there, omits it. And then sitting right beside it again is a TTA tank. It's our 53 gallon L shape. I always refer to it as an L. You can see how it would interlock. This is the back portion of the center compartment. We wouldn't have that light hole in there anymore because of the fuel tank. That would be, the hole wouldn't be there. And this is basically a side shot of the truck without this compartment piece there right now. So you're seeing this back panel. So we'd be staying at the back of the truck like this. This is how our 53 gallon L-shaped tank interlocks with that area so that you keep what would be the center storage, and then it would come forward about like this and then come up. And it shows you how that interlocks there. So when I refer to it as an L shape, obviously that's why it's an L, because it's interlocking with this portion of the center compartment. So hopefully you guys find this helpful. I'm trying to get a good video database set up here that people can go to and go, oh, okay, that's what a 53 gallon tank is. That's what it looks like. That's what the 114 gallon tank looks like and how it matches the profile. Now you've seen them in the trucks, you've seen them Z-barted, you've seen it with the truck all painted and everything, but this is a real nice breakdown of how it all goes together without the rest of the body in the way. So you can see how all that's done and how the tanks come into us before they're installed. But yeah, if you have any questions, like always, feel free to call me at the shop, 574-522-8422, and ask for Corey. Or you can email me at chavens@utilitybodyworks.com. I'm always available to work with potential customer, answer your questions, and explain these options to you. Thanks for watching.